Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's Elite 18-foot pool with pump and Qualco Chlorinating tab kit. Spend the hot summer cooling off by your Summer Wave's Elite 18-foot above-ground frame pool. This pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. It comes with a 110 to 120 volt filter pump with ground fault circuit interrupter, pool cover, ladder, deluxe maintenance kit, Type-C filter cartridge, repair patch kit, ground cloth, and 5-pound chlorinating tab kit. Product benefits: rust-resistant, galvanized steel frame stands up to heavy use. Constructed of triple-layer polyester mesh and heavy-gauge PVC material. Easy to use, 3-inch chlorine tablets dissolve slowly but work fast and effectively to keep your pool clean. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.